Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 48. If x squared times b to the power of 4 equal a times b to the power of -1, what is a in terms of b and x? So we have a keywords, something, something in terms of something. Okay, so that means you will have to find out a will be equal, something, okay, and with x and b in this side. Okay, so in terms of, it means a is equal, like you solve for a, and then the result is the right hand side only included b and x. No more a on this side. Okay, a on the left hand side equal only b and x on the right hand side, no more a. Okay, no more a. So that's why you can see the answer choices, they never have a in there. If you see the answer choice have any a including, like for example, if you multiply by a here, you will eliminate that answer choice immediately. Okay, but in this case, we check all the answer choice, they are right because they're all in terms of x and b, right? So now to start, we will review some of the formula. So we have like a to the power of -n, that is equal 1 over a to the power of n. So if we do the reciprocal of the positive powers, it's the same thing as a to the power of the negative power. Okay, so let's rewrite this, and to make it like easy to see, I'll just keep doing it. But for me, if I doing it, I will rewrite a times b to the -1 on the left side. I just switch the side, but I can do it later at what it look like. But just for myself, I usually do like that. So let's continue, and then I'll redo it one more time. Okay, so I will redo the right hand side. Now it become my left hand side, and we see that the b to the -1, right, is look like this one, right? So I can just rewrite it 1 over b to the power of 1. But anything to the power of 1 is that thing, so that's 1 over b. Yes? So a to the power of 1, that is 1 over a to the power of 1, that is 1 over a. Or a to the power of 1, that is a. Okay? Now we rewrite it one more time. A, that's what we try to find, multiply by this one, b to the power of -1 is 1 over b. Right? Now we rewrite this one more time, equal x squared times b to the power of 4. Now to solve for a, we isolate a by multiply both sides by b. Okay? We multiply both sides by b. Then this b cancel out with this b. We have only a on the left hand side, and we wish to solve for it, right? So a is the left hand side right here, equal the right hand side, right? So a is equal x squared. And remember, we have another formula that's saying if you have a to the power of m, multiply that the product, okay, a to the power of n, you will have a at the same base, a right here, right, to the power of m plus n. All right, now we apply here. So we have b to the power of 4 times b. Remember, b is just b to the power of 1, right? We just review it here. A to the power of 1, anything to the power of 1 is itself. So b to the power of 1 is b. So it's the same thing, right? But now we can apply the formula. B, they have the same b. Now apply the first power at the second powers. That equal b to the power of 5. So this is b to the power of 5. Now this is the answer. You see that? So on the left hand side is a. That's what they're asking, right? A, and then in term of is equal to something on the right hand side should be x and b, no more a. So x squared times b to the power of 5. B is the right answer. Now let's go back because I just said that we can just do like normal, right? We just write down x to the power of 2, b to the power of 4 equal a times b to the negative 1 is 1 over b, right? It doesn't change anything. I just kind of like usually I will let is like the left hand side at what they ask, so it's kind of like look more logic to me because since I will answer a question and a equals something, not answer like something equal a little bit like different point of view for me, but it's the same answer anyway. Okay, so now this one we do the same. We multiply b both sides, right? So this one will be x squared times b to the power of 5 equal a. Same concept. This one cancel. This one is power of 1 and power of 4. We add them up because it is the same base. So x squared times b to the power of 5 equal a. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.